Hey guys, John, Vaporonic Technologies here today. We're going to show you the difference, surface roughness difference on an aluminum sample part. We have dry blast up top. We're going to check out the roughness of that first, and we have wet blast example on the bottom. We use the same abrasive, 220 grit aluminum oxide, and of course in the middle we left it raw and unfinished. But we're going to check these surface roughness parameters here, and we're going to show you what the differences are and what the values look like. And of course, you can always see the aesthetical difference, which we mentioned in a previous video. So let's go ahead and check this out. We're going to run the tester, and you can actually see what the surface looks like going across the screen. This is the tool checking the peaks and valleys of the part. So right there we have 2.237 RA. And then RZ, we have 15.185. Again, there's many different other parameters in here that people use to make informed decisions on surface roughness. And I'm just showing you what this looks like. So remember, 2.237. So that was on the dry side. Let's go to the wet side. There you have it. There's your difference. So we were at 1.17 or 1.709, excuse me, on the wet side, and 11.054 on the wet side for RZ. But you can see there's definitely a difference in roughness between wet versus dry. One of the things I want to point out here is if you're looking to switch from a dry blast process to a wet blast process, the abrasive combinations can always be changed to fit your need and application. Just because we are less rough on this example here, which normally we are, that's the benefit of a wet blast system, you're normally less rough. When you compare the same abrasives and the same pressures, which we're doing here, we can always get what you need. Like we can always get a rougher parameter or a smoother parameter depending on what you have. So we just really need to know where you need to be, and we can always get you there by using this profilometer here to measure the peaks and valleys of the surface. But hopefully you guys like this video. If you do like the video, always give it a thumbs up, comment down below in the section, like the channel, and if you do have questions about this, call or email the sales team. They're always here and happy to help. As always, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.